Welcome back to Finpod, your daily financial digest. I am Evan, and I'm glad you are joining me. Whether you are prepping for the opening bell or just catching up on the headlines, we have got you covered. Remember, Finpod is brought to you by Fintwit.ai, your go-to platform for real-time trading signals and stock recommendations. Let us dive in. The big story hitting the wires is Poet Technologies. Shares took a massive hit, dropping nearly 50% after the company announced that Marvell Technology canceled all outstanding purchase orders from Celestial AI, a business Marvell acquired earlier this year. Marvell cited confidentiality breaches, and this has sent a shockwave through the small-cap tech space. On the other end of the spectrum, NVIDIA is seeing a lot of chatter as it recently hit a new record high. Investors are buzzing ahead of major hyperscaler earnings, with hopes that companies like Google and Meta will signal continued aggressive AI infrastructure spending, which would be a huge tailwind for NVIDIA. Meanwhile, Google is trending as investors gear up for its earnings release later today. The stock has had a great run this month, and the market is laser-focused on whether its cloud growth and AI-powered search initiatives are finally translating into the revenue numbers that justify its premium valuation. Moving to the broader market, we have a mixed picture. U.S. futures are wobbling as investors balance optimism from recent record highs against rising geopolitical anxiety. Oil prices are surging significantly, with WTI crude jumping over 4% as tensions between the U.S. and Iran persist, specifically around potential disruptions in the Strait of Hormuz. This is keeping inflation fears front and center, which is pushing Treasury yields higher and weighing on tech-heavy indices like the Nasdaq. We are also in the middle of a massive earnings week, so expect volatility as the market reacts to every headline regarding AI capital expenditure and guidance. In the AI economy, the focus is squarely on the infrastructure race. Google just broke ground on a massive, gigawatt-scale AI hub in India, underscoring the global nature of this build-out. We are also seeing more evidence of AI integration in traditional industries, with Cleveland-Cliffs announcing a new multi-year partnership with Palantir to deploy AI across its manufacturing operations. Meanwhile, banks are getting in on the action, with Customers Bank partnering with OpenAI to build bespoke AI capabilities for its lending and payment workflows. It is clear that the focus is shifting from just experimental chatbots to deep, operational integration of AI. Looking at individual stocks in focus, General Motors is a standout winner. The automaker crushed first-quarter earnings expectations and raised its full-year guidance, providing a rare bright spot in a volatile morning. On the flip side, we are seeing some weakness in the industrial sector, with Illinois Tool Works trading lower after facing pressure from both geopolitical headwinds and cautious analyst sentiment. Also, watch out for Corning, which saw its shares drop sharply in pre-market trading after management provided a conservative outlook despite a slight earnings beat. For today's earnings watch, the calendar is packed. We have Coca-Cola, GE Aerospace, Novartis, Raytheon, and Verizon reporting before the opening bell. After the market closes, all eyes will be on Google, Tesla, and Visa. The market is particularly sensitive to any commentary on demand trends and margin pressure from these giants, so keep a close watch on their guidance calls. To wrap up, today is all about the tug-of-war between strong tech momentum and emerging geopolitical risks. We have seen a major pullback in Poet Technologies following a contract cancellation, while NVIDIA continues to lead the AI narrative. With oil surging and massive earnings reports from Google and others on deck, expect a busy session. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments which sectors you are watching most closely. For real-time trading signals and stock recommendations, visit Fintwit.ai. Thanks for listening, and I will see you back here tomorrow.